Alright, guys, she's ready. 1,
Oh my God.
2,
Are you going to hold
3.
Oh, Auntie Brisha didn't even come all the way off. Oh my God.
Okay,
Auntie
my
Brisha.
bad.
Auntie Brisha.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Guys, welcome back to my video. This is probably going to be a little quick one. Of course, you guys probably already know by now by the videos that I've been uploading. Maybe that Kanaya is here visiting for a couple of days. So while she's here, she said she wanted to get her arms waxed. So guess who's going to wax them? Auntie Brisha. Yeah, that's right. Me. I'm going to wax them. This is her first time, so let's see how this goes. I will include the stuff that I use. All of it came from Amazon. Then the wax came from Amazon too, like a little TikTok plug. Yeah, y'all, it's the truth. Go ahead and get it. I'll make sure I'll put it up somewhere. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. So this is the wax that I'm gonna be using. Say hi, Kanaya.
Hi, guys.
Alright, so she has a little bit of hair on there. She's not like real hairy, but you know, it's a little bit, so this shouldn't take long. Alright, guys, so I'm not a real esthetician, but you know, I does my research whenever I want to learn how to do something. So basically, we're going to get a good amount on there. And we're going to swirl it around. We're going to dip it in there again. It's not all the way melted, but I don't want it to get like too hot for her. She's real scared, so this is what...
Oh, it's not hot? It's not like all the way?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to get...
Is it steaming?
Try to get as good of an amount that I can get
Is it steaming?
on there. No.
I'm just
She
scared
worried
about
the hotness.
Oh my God.
Girl, I just told you it ain't that hot now. So, next thing we're going to do is you want to do this, and then we're going to do it kind of diagonal. Is it hot?
Yeah. It's not
Oh, well, you're a trooper then.
burning, but it's hot.
And then we're just going to spread it like that. So, I'm going to let that dry some. Press down. You got on a little bit on your shirt, but that's okay. And then, since we went down this way, we're going to want to rip up this way. So, the opposite direction.
Please let me know before you rip it, Auntie Brisha.
Alright.
Please, because...
I'm just lifting it up some so I can pull it back in one piece. It's still a little bit sticky, but it'll be alright. Yeah, it's still a little bit sticky, y'all. So I'll be back when it's time to rip. Alright, guys, she's ready. 1,
Oh my God.
2,
Are you going to hold
3.
Oh, Auntie Brisha didn't even come all the way off. Oh my God.
Okay,
Auntie
my
Brisha.
bad.
Auntie Brisha.
Trying to see if she got... Oh, you got one here.
Oh my God. It ain't hurt that bad.
Told
but
you. It's getting
do
ready.
hurt.
You ready?
Oh, Auntie Brisha. Oh my God. Auntie Brisha, how come you doing it in little pieces?
I'm trying to rip it up all in one. The girl, dang. You really? If I could rip it all in one, I would. You asking me questions like I'm doing it on purpose. You ready?
Ow.
Look at all this hair. Look, guys. You see that? Look.
Auntie Brisha, please, just go. Oh my God.
Okay, I'm trying. Oh, I should have put powder down first, but it's alright. Look.
Oh, that one hurt really bad.
It's not that bad, is it?
If you would have did it all in one,
If I could, I would have. Dang, sometimes it be like that.
Ow, that one hurted bad.
That's why the hair at. Look. See it?
Yeah.
Look, y'all. I don't know if you can see it good. Let me turn to the side.
Oh my God.
How does it
More
feel? You got a little bit more. You want to leave it or it's just like a little bit? You want to keep going?
No, yeah, you can take it off.
Okay. It's looking good though, guys. Look.
Oh, you talking about another strip?
A little bit where the hair is.
Okay. It didn't
Yeah,
hurt that
looks looking good. You know, you see the bleeding a little bit, but you
bad.
know.
Bleeding.
It happens.
Teresa.
It happens. I do the same thing. It's okay. You a trooper. You a G. All right, y'all. We just gonna do like a little bit here and there where the hair is. You ready?
Yep.
So you can get this done in since it ain't hurting you like that.
Yeah, it don't hurt that bad.
Yeah. So you must got a high pain tolerance, which is good because only the strong survive.
Oh my God.
For real. Shoot, what they say? Beauty, what they say? Hurts to be pain.
Your
What they
beauty
say?
is pain, I
Yeah.
Beauty takes pain.
Okay, so I'm doing this to kind of like help for when it's time to rip this off.
You gonna put powder on this one?
Yeah. Because one thing I forgot to do, guys, is put powder down, and powder helps stop you from sweating. Because it's about ready, so let's rip it out. And I believe I got the majority. It's just a few stragglers left. If she want them gone, then we can get them going. You want the stragglies gone, or are you alright?
It's okay. It's like
Okay. So yeah, guys, she's really cleaned up. I'm gonna put oil on her, and she'll be good to go. Alright, y'all, so this is the ending look. Look how smooth that is, y'all. Like, for real. Yeah, it looks real good. Are you happy?
yes, 10 out of 10.
Did it hurt?
Like out of 10, it was like a 4 or 5 maybe.
Okay.
Go get it, guys.
Right.
If I let you, take me